Hey everyone, it's John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I am standing in front of a beautiful used unit here. This is the Jayco Pinnacle 36 KPTS. This floor plan is still around today. It's been very successful for Jayco over the years for a reason, because it works. It has this awesome MORryde pin box on it, 6-point hydraulic leveling system, big giant storage compartment with a nice wet bay on the other side, Goodyear tires. It's going to have 3 massive slide outs. When you walk in, you can see the big residential refrigerator, televator, your electric fireplace, giant tri-fold couch on the back here, 2 recliners across from the entertainment center, extendable table with a leaf in it, and then the KPTS big feature is this giant kitchen pantry. That's what KPTS means. Kitchen pantry triple slide. I'm coming on into the bathroom here. Nice big shower, porcelain toilet of course, 2 medicine cabinets. Then the bedroom, this one has a king size bed. Your entertainment center in the bedroom right here, the TV. It has 2 Coleman Mach air conditioners. It's plumbed for washer dryer. We just remove these shelves right here and you can put a stackable washer dryer unit in there. And then unclip this really quick. Massive closet. And it's kind of dark in here so you can't see. The 2 extra bar stools for your table are in here as well. But this unit is clean, ready to go. Of course, it'll be inspected by our PDI department. Pre-delivery inspections are done on all of our units here. And then you will receive a walkthrough from the technician that does that pre-delivery inspection for you. So we want the person that checks this unit out for you to also do your walkthrough and teach you how to use this big, beautiful 5th wheel here. Call us at Apache Village RV Center if you have any questions. Thank you.